You see, I believe you deserve to live in high deservability. That's where you see your success. How do you recognize low deservability in your business life? I'm going to tell you. Low deservability is just the most destructive, toxic force in an entrepreneur's mind and business practices. When you settle, rationalize, or justify doing or not taking an action today for business growth, chances are you're living in low deservability. Are you allowing circumstances, environments, situations, or emotions to dictate your next move today for business growth? Are you creating limitations and sabotaging opportunities, saying, I'm just not ready? Or are you speaking with the abundance mindset, but living with these subconscious limitations? You see, I believe you deserve to live in high deservability. That's where you see your success and your next move as inevitable towards achieving your goals.